Alright, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing video here. We got a Taurus. This is the first Taurus I've ever bought. So over here, get the manual, get the lifetime warranty, limited lifetime warranty slip, get a $30 off coupon for Viridian Laser to go underneath. Probably won't be partaking in that, and an NRA slip. Let's go ahead and open the box up. So you get two 13-round magazines. They have the load assist on the sides, on both sides. I think you can use them. They're a little smaller and they don't protrude as much as some other ones, like the M&P 22 compact, SR22. Some of those, they poke out pretty good, so it makes it very easy. Some pistols don't have them at all, like the Ruger LCP in 22. They don't have them at all. So anything's nice to kind of get those rounds in, especially if you're shooting a lot. So two of those, they feel very, very light. They are plastic. Maybe they'll hold up pretty good. They seem fairly durable. Let's go ahead and show this here. It is unloaded. There's the Taurus TX22 compact. It just come out. I bought this one. This was not sent to me by the manufacturer. I know a lot of the videos that are being released are, early releases that they sent to YouTubers to review. This was not. I'm going to do a full series of videos and reviews on this firearm and tell you what I think about it and be very honest about it. But that's it. TX22. I'll go into a little more detail. This is just an unboxing showing you what comes in the box, but it don't look bad, and it feels pretty good in the hand. It feels fairly durable. Sure appreciate you watching.